You're welcome to AKWASI TV. Like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe. Enjoy.
Baba, good day. Good day.
Yeah. Good evening.
Mahon. Achona, what to say?
Pardon?
What to say? You must have written 10 what they be able now on Kwana and Namase.
Please, I always speak English, you know.
If you will not now we are not the Tosma Nadia him, Tanya Patre.
What are you saying?
If you 1, 2, 3, the Mudia,
your body. And now Ben them, you.
I still don't get you, you know. I still.
Okay, you can go.
My brother.
I can go.
No, me, you, me, I, me. Understand?
Yeah, my brother go be too close. My brother, you, my
me
brother go be too close.
Oh, can you speak?
You are so.
You cannot speak English. So I don't think we can live together.
Sahaya Ghana, you know what you meant. You can walk to tree.
The man of more friend, you know, Mutantipu.
A common son can do more. Do you know Commodore? A Commodore.
Commodore?
After
Commodore?
Yanko.
What is that?
Bien, we better be tea.
The so fool. We didn't got to treat Yanka farmer in you.
Commodore? Unless I go and ask my grandmother. Commodore? What is Commodore?
Oh, see, I'll grab Rawoko.
It's like I don't understand what you're talking about.
Anati. Ufien.
Fiei?
This house, you go for you, this house.
What dia?
Yeah, this house belongs to me.
What dia?
Huh?
Also, Hana.
This house, oh, go, you.
What dia? What dia?
What is the problem?
Yes. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Okay. Bye.
And then the man who found your moon TQ. Come some quantity or moon TQ. You were TQ and then a quiet ball in the compare with you be married.
I'm you can also be.
Oh,
yes,
Redoubtable personnel. I hope you are alive and kicking.
Your comfort, listen.
Oh, master. What I'm trying to say is that I'm looking for someone, and I don't know where exactly the person is located.
So
I wish some.
wait.
I am looking for some. Yes, I'm trying to talk about the fact that I'm looking for his place of domicile. Where his domicile at?
Drum. Kete.
No. Look. No, I am discombobulated. I am flamosed. I don't know what you are talking about.
Madam, no refuse or table from the bro from Libya no beat me at Lanka.
Okay. Do you know it?
Go. Okay.
Now check. I could bag your bonnet. A clinch
Yeah.
Come. Amo! Yeah, why?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hello.
Hi.
English
Hi.
Rose.
Yeah.
You are English Rose.
Yeah, I am.
Wow, I like your vavavoom. I like your vivacity.
Huh?
Anyway, let's cut it short. I am looking for someone, and I'm told that his domicile.
This is Salmon on to Kumasi. Or for hitting one of the Quakra, only Kumasi.
Look, they were saying this all this while, and I was mystified. I was discombobulated. What I'm trying to say is that I am discombobulated.
Hey!
Oh, what is happening? So none of you can fathom what I'm saying.
Wow, papa. Tell what to bluffo. And one year you have for your guano. We are from for.
Mamma say.
Hey, what did you? What can't I say?
Mamma say, dear, I'm telling you, sir. I want some Mitna Pakistan.
What Libya?
You know, one
Togo. And I try. Hey, what it? What you so be on the coin side idea? You must kind. Yakwa, don't be any here. You can take the only baby ammonia.
What are you talking about?
By force.
Hey! Madam, but you were speaking English, and I thought you would fathom what I was trying to say.
For big drama. I saw a man in more grassy. I saw a man to me. No,
stop. The miasma from this thing is I cannot stand it. The miasma. I mean the miasma.
Miasma. I don't know say it. Hey! Me pie then come inside the home for crying mante. Hey! Anu mujade di mewie ni.